Classic mental hack. They create a sense of urgency. They create a sense of authority, right? And they are taking advantage of your goodness. Like somebody says, I have paid 50 to you by accident, and you need to return. So you as a good person would want to return that money. You won't want to keep that money. So all of this in combination, they would create a situation where they want it immediately right now. I think just stop. Stop there.
Yeah, they do that thing within 5 minutes and
Yes,
30
yes,
seconds and
yes.
That pressure is important.
That pressure is important. So just get out of the pressure first and recheck. So two things. And use common sense.
So listen please, yeah.
तो
उसको बोलने दो ना यार.
मैं कुछ बातें करते बीच में.
This is such a men behavior, like what is this? Verifying was everything, right? We would always swipe right or left depending upon, of course, चेहरा and other things. Also,
Other things का मतलब क्या है?
also,
अब तो
अरे
पहला तो
मतलब क्या
information
लिखा
वही
है?
है.
Mama's boy,
Yeah.
I am not a feminist. ऐसा लिखा है तो कोई क्यों करे? है ना? Other
The
things
two
is that.
options he gave us in the profile are mama's boy and I'm not a feminist. Oh,
इसमें आता था टीवी पे और उस पे आपण यांना पहिलंच का.
यार.
So many times you get these calls about your package being delivered somewhere or your package has been caught somewhere, something contraband is there. But think, if you haven't ordered something, why is a package coming?
A lot of people, what they don't do is go back to their net banking or check balance and see whether or not they've actually received the money in their bank account. I think that verification is very, very critical for you to take next step.
Very excited. I am. They aren't. Because they
You were
got
scared.
Yeah. How can... This is Brijesh Singh, who we spoke... why am I saying this is Brijesh Singh? You've done some 20 episodes of Man vs. Scam already.
No.
3.
Three.
तो मैं तो exaggerate करता है ना in
Well,
comedy.
like 20.
Comedy is about exaggeration.
Exaggerate.
I won't mention one famous comedian from Habitat just here. When
It's called habitat destruction.
Sir, आप तो comedy कर लो अभी. Let me do cyber security. I feel I'm a safer bet.
I will need security if I do comedy.
But can I use that line? That line is... I want to borrow that line. Please check with sir later.
please
Copyright sir
don't
के
do
पास है. Habitat destruction. What a beautiful
Habitat
line.
destruction
So
is
you should
okay.
write. That's a punch. Proper punch. Unbelievable. Man vs. Scam.
Yeah.
अलग बात है. Man vs. Scam. Much more dangerous and serious issue. And Utkarshika has joined us. How good is that?
Amazing, I loved it.
I swear, we discussed offline also. I have been. I swear, my mom, I've been practicing the name. Because I didn't want to say it badly. Yeah.
I was
Quite a
impressed.
tongue twister.
No, I know some people, like, if you don't take the time to learn somebody's name, I think it's very disrespectful also. You can stumble, but you must try. When it's a new name or a different culture, let's say.
When you speak a name, you get a graduation.
I think so.
nice. I'm going to use that.
Sir is like our modern day Premchand. I will just write. हाँ, मैं 30 सेकंड में लिखेगा मैं. I'll just keep writing. I'll just taking notes.
Need to get someone for minutes of the meeting. And
Is
then
he like
take
this on
out
the Man vs. Scam also?
No, he's a different personality.
The Predator.
But
Not a
still
Predator.
fun. But still fun. I'll give it
You
to
are
him.
making me Premchand to Premnath.
और वो भी 30 सेकंड के अंदर हाँ. What a switch. Premchand to Premnand. He's got 3 punchlines in 1 minute. Now a lot of pressure on us here. All I've done is stumble on Utkarshika. That's it. That's my contribution.
Cyrus, no performance anxiety.
Yeah. वो तो premature तो है मेरा. अलग बात है sir. Let's not go into that direction. This is not that kind of show. Let's talk about Man vs. Scam for a second. Firstly, you are no longer with the cyber. You were the head of cybersecurity.
Yes.
So let's be very clear here. And you are an IT defense security expert.
Yeah, so I've been working in cybersecurity.
See how I'm saying it? I'm so clear.
Yeah. You've learned it. You've done your
IT
homework.
defense security. I mean, I know this, yeah.
You've done your homework. I think you can switch now.
Yeah.
You're
Go
all
back.
set.
Let me say silly things. But he's not said silly things. He's been a profound comic. Habitat destruction in the light of everything is fantastic. Premchand to Premnath, fantastic, fabulous, sir. Sir, abhi pressure ek cheez hai. Na? You have to carry on like this for 1 hour.
Oh God.
Anything,
Now I have performance anxiety.
anything that's taken on the show, it shows IP, and then we figure out which lines we like, and then we
Hey,
will.
yo, cyber security or chore? What is going on? What the hell's going on here? What a paradox.
Just learning from the recent
अपना
events.
कमाई भी गया इसमें यार मेरे 2% की जो कमाई है वो भी गया sorry so we were saying that your background
Yeah. So
before-
I actually studied mass media, but ended up in cybersecurity, and 10 years I've been doing this.
No, but you're a big influencer. But before that, you studied formally when it comes to.
Yeah, so it's studying on the job, and I studied with as basic as learning as simple as what is firewall VPN, and I started with dummies book, but now here we are 10 years later doing
As in on
absolutely-
self-taught. You
Yeah,
go online and find out how
yeah,
to.
but I've been lucky meeting people like him who've been very helpful in teaching me as well, so I gotta give that.
Offline, we were talking about drinking stories.
Yeah, I mean, I have to tell that, all that. I mean, what is this? I have to promote him also, no?
Moral of the story is don't drink and drive. That's the moral of our story. So there's some good interesting stories. है सब कुछ है वो स्वेटर या जैकेट के अंदर. In the words of Neena Gupta, चोली के पीछे क्या है?
Goodness, man.
Sorry, wrong phrase. Now the comedy is gone. Now we're like absolute bakwas. That's where we reached. Okay, so the setup is. Tell us how it started, man versus scam. Firstly, why man, not woman in this woke culture?
You know what? This was a fair question. I think you need to ask him that because I said the same thing. Why man versus scam? But then I decided not to
Problem
keep
is
my
then-
feminist head, and then I'm like, you know
You'll
what?
have to do a
Let the
full
guys
rainbow
win.
versus scam.
Ah, वो भी है.
क्या?
वो भी है.
You'll have to do a full rainbow.
There are many.
versus
There are many genders, no?
That is
By whatever.
That is true.
scam. Yeah.
Hey, India
Maybe
में
humans versus scam.
नहीं, इंडिया में क्या है situation? इंडिया में क्या? Because India, do we have this gender? I'm not sure. Officially, it's two genders in India, or it's like
No, the
this?
third gender is official recognized.
Official.
Yeah, by
Okay,
government.
so
It's
three
recognized.
genders.
Yeah, yeah.
Guys, you're safe. No disrespect to anyone. It's just you choose what you want.
All the remaining can try.
Vijay sir, are you? Apply now.
Apply now.
Batches are closing. But are you sure about this? I have no idea.
Should I call Trump?
Oh, Trump is in charge of us also. Sir, what is this?
पूरा दुनिया का सबका मालिक है.
एक सबका मालिक एक. What is Malik? Yeah, guys, let's get back to man. I'm saying this. You all are so bad. I have to tell you. Discipline, beta. So man versus scam because it's a take on that one man versus food. No, what is the show? There's this other show on. Oh, you guys don't know about this show.
I really don't
It's a
know.
famous show.
Actually, the show is a scam because we spoofed somebody's name.
In a way, yes. In a way, but this is a show about a guy going. Man versus wild.
Man.
अरे अबे सर तू काय बोलतो? Oh, the man versus food also.
तो हमने प्लेजराइज किया ना उसको.
So एक मिनट नहीं, ये ट्रिपल प्लेजराइजिंग है. किसी ने उसको प्लेजराइज करके इधर आ गया, इधर से इधर आ गया. This is
बचा
too
नहीं
much,
इतना
यार.
कंफ्यूज करने का.
Only in India, it's like typical in Bollywood. So South steals from Hollywood, we steal from South, and then Bhojpuri steals from us. So everybody's stealing.
Like best songs, you know.
हाँ.
You take them out and then you realize, अरे यार ये Mozart number 40 है.
हाँ, exactly. That's true, Mr. Burman, if you're listening. I'm a Beatles fan, and I'm feeling very hurt. कि सारे anthology हिंदी में आ गया. Can we talk about man versus scam? Or as we say in North India, scam. To keep people happy, यार.
Yep.
Do you want to talk about how?
Hey, Utkarshika Fosik is a pet name. नाम बोलते
You know
बोलते
what?
पूरा
I
एक
want
घंटा
to see you
जाएगा.
struggle. I want to
No,
see
no,
you
I'm getting easy. It's getting easy. Utkarshika. You know, it goes with Monica. My darling. Utkarshika, my darling. It has this. Too much? Too much.
Yeah, but it's not going. I think you need to work on the rhythm.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
I-
you're fine.
इसका
तभी से बात करो. What do you hell are you saying?
उसका 25th anniversary था ना.
नहीं. होने वाला है सर.
पक्का है ना?
Don't wish bad luck on anyone.
पक्का है ना.
Next year.
लग नहीं रहा है.
ट्रम्प के हाथ में है. I don't know.
You've been trumped.
I've been trumped. A pointless conversation. I think we should just like yeah. So
Do you want to talk about the man versus scam thing?
No, thing is that she is a major influencer, and she faced certain things where people were trying to con her, and we went into a discussion, and we felt that we should talk about this. And generally, the shows about cybersecurity are now very terse, very technical. See.
Terse.
All the pace of the
back to
communication-
Premchand. He's using words now. We are googling. Our audience terse क्या है?
Shakespeare यार अंग्रेजी है.
Shakespeare. Mozart number 40. Shakespeare.
India is a foreign country.
It's a country in a foreign. Going fast.
But sir, थोड़ा normal audience के लिए आप थोड़ा
Normal audience
क्या
है.
बात
मेरा
है?
audience में कोई normal नहीं है.
Abnormal audience. इसका सारा abnormal audience है.
They are waiting for the joke. Sir has started now. Pressure is there. बोलो security के बारे में बोलो. Punch क्या है?
Show is a scam.
no pressure.
So basically, we thought that we should talk about these things, and One is that shows are very serious. So we kept it conversational, we kept it witty, we kept it very current. Like this thing is virtually unscripted. So we start talking about something, let's say deepfakes, we start talking about deepfakes, and then it's a rambling conversation the way this is. So we keep it
As is structured, फिर भी.
Yeah, so the idea basically was to make people aware and not keep it very serious, not keep it very technical. So Utkarshika is a technical person,
Huh.
but we try to get comedy.
No, but you mentioned that she had some personal real life.
Yeah.
Huh,
So
what is
I've
that?
had
This as earlier in your life.
नहीं, in general there are like a lot of scams जो 2-3 बार अब हो चुके हैं life में. Okay, one was the casting that happened, and I we gave audition and everything, and turned out the whole. Can I take the name?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can take the name, right? So the TC
Sir, वकील भी है?
casting. नहीं
वकील तो कौन है इधर?
अरे वकील बहुत
वकील तो है
महंगे
नहीं।
होते हैं, इसलिए पूछना पड़ता है, आपको तो पता होगा ये
सर
सारा
से पूछने
चीज़।
से तो सर तो ट्रम्प नहीं है. सबका मालिक एक ही है ना, आपने
अगर
बताया.
मैं गई तो ये भी जाएंगे ना, then he agreed.
मैंने जाएगा.
Co-conspirator.
Close. Too short.
Co-conspirator. मैं अकेले नहीं जाऊंगी. So yeah, that happened, and the second was.
I didn't understand. So you went for audition.
No. So it was a
Somebody
virtual audition.
contacted her in
So
the name of a company.
Someone contacted me from T Series Casting, saying, "Hey, we are doing this music video, and usme, you know,
New faces, all that.
Yeah, new faces, and then you're down selected. Can you come? Can you give the audition? It'll be virtual audition." And of course, I gave the audition, and after, you know, like he always says in that podcast as well, every time you get a ick. If something is wrong, you get a ick. And I remember meeting him the next day, and I was bawling. I was like, oh, I don't know what will happen, because obviously, you know, you don't know how your face is used, whatever, wherever it is
I
used.
didn't
So
think of that.
deepfake conversation also
Ah.
started, because I've seen that live, right? It is happening, and it can ruin someone's career and life in general. So of course that was a major thing, because then I went online and I read about it, and then I reached out to people from who knows T series कि ऐसा कुछ project चल रहा है क्या, and they're like, no, this is a scam, but they did everything. हाँ, उन्होंने मुझे ID भेजी, उन्होंने मुझे agreement भेजा, उन्होंने मुझे सब कुछ भेजा. Imagine it went till that length, and I was just like,
Contract भी था?
Yeah. And I was like, there's something wrong about this. I don't feel right about it. And then I reached out to different people, including him. कि यार कुछ तो गलत है, I don't feel right about it. But I'm really scared. What if my face is used somewhere? सबसे major concern था.
But did they ask for money?
No, they didn't. But you never
So
know
सिर्फ
what happens.
the face can be used and
Yeah.
exploited.
And it could
That
be
must have
easy.
been the next step.
Yeah,
probably,
that
no?
is. So I immediately then, after speaking to him and few of the other people, they're like कि block कर दो, because इंसान पैसे कहाँ मांगेगा अगर तुमने ब्लॉक ही कर दिया हर जगह. पैसे जाएंगे कहाँ, ठीक है, वो तुम्हें ब्लैकमेल कहाँ कर पाएगा. So blocked everywhere over email and everything. But yeah, of course,
But
that
they
was
have
very
the
scary.
they have the footage
They
of.
still have the footage, and it's very scary.
अभी मत बोलो यार. Next, your face will be selling nuclear
But then
weapons in
that
Ukraine or
would-
something, and we can't control it.
But
Global
market.
and we need a replacement for Zelensky.
On the
नहीं,
cards. Sir is connected, very well connected, especially in our state. I won't tell you exactly how, but he might know more than us. I don't know.
That is true.
Yeah. हाँ.
That is true. But then it is very scary. मतलब वो तो एक casting के हिसाब से हो गया.
But we can
audition
never
के
trace
हिसाब
the guys actually.
से. Yeah, you can never
जिन
do
लोग-
that. You can never. I mean,
It's very difficult.
it's very back tracing of IP, and then it just goes into too many circles if you look at it. So I think the easiest way is to just cut off. Of course, it took me a lot of time to come out of it, because I remember bawling for days. I would cry, like I would cry and.
So you had gone on a Zoom call with these guys?
Yeah. It was-
Okay. So
yeah.
you saw their faces and all that.
Yeah. I saw that.
But you didn't record anything.
Of course not. Of course
I
not.
mean, only men record the women when they are talking for some reason. So I'm like, you dirty rascals. Really. अच्छा दिखता है ना record करवाए. I'm not personally Vijay sir. I don't. You and me are gentlemen. Yeah.
Yeah,
We open the door. Even if there's no woman, we open the door.
Yeah.
On the other side. I don't know.
अभी इतना डोर ओपन करते लोग पैसे भी देके जाते हैं.
It's called valet service. I know we are making light of this thing, but it was very scary for you, obviously.
Yeah, so
और footage अभी भी है उनके पास, and
नहीं, but footage तो in general, now that the influencer and the content
Oh,
creation
now you're well
also,
known.
yes,
Yeah.
the content creation is, and that's why they reached out, right? Because I am already putting out content.
Right.
तो face तो कैसे भी use हो सकता है. I think that took some time to. I think one was कि कुछ भी हो सकता है वो face का जो भी video है, whatever. The second one was the guilt. पता है वो बहुत ऐसा लगता है यार कि क्या हो गया, मैं इतनी स्टूपिड कैसे हूँ. You know how someone is making you feel stupid when you know, when you are in the industry,
but once they use-
you're doing this, and
Oh.
like you know that guilt is too much. ठीक है. एंड आई थिंक देयर आर टू फैक्टर्स टू इट. वन इज ऑफ कोर्स ये सारा हुआ, एंड सेकंड इज द गिल्ट. वो गिल्ट से बाहर आने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज व्हेन आई स्पोक टू हिम अबाउट why don't we do something that talks about this, because one, the face is going to be there. I can't remove the internet print right out of me. It's not going to happen. इतने सारे वीडियोस है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन how can we ensure the second part, right? I know where to go. You know, I have too much of guilt and shame to go and talk to people, because one, they make you feel stupid. Second, you also feel,
you exactly being you.
yeah. And second, you just feel yourself कि यार am I that stupid, what happened? So वो सारा चीज़ें को लेकर then we were like okay, let's do something. We were planning बहुत टाइम से कि कुछ करते हैं, but then this was like a hitting rock कि यार बस हो गया, मतलब मेरे साथ हुआ है, let's just make sure कि it doesn't happen with a lot of people.
But it does happen.
It does.
Like,
मतलब you should know the next steps. ऐसा
no,
वो
what you're
नहीं
saying is
रोक
कि
सकते.
अगर हुआ,
हाँ.
this is what you can do.
Yeah.
But there's no way to 100% call their bluff, na?
Yeah.
If you're in the business.
You cannot.
It's very convincing.
Yeah,
Convincing
it is
also
very
बड़े बड़े
convincing.
नाम जो है, labels जो है, once you hear the label
Yeah.
of T series or whatever, you're more or less convinced.
Yeah,
that-
yeah.
And they use all the logos.
हाँ.
They use official looking
Imagine
stationery.
agreements and then those ID, T-series ID and everything, they send it to you. They make it convincing only. And imagine I had confronted that guy who was doing the casting. He was the casting producer.
Director जो भी है,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then I spoke to him and then I told him, "Kya, tell me if this is real or not." And then I gave him my background. I was like, listen, don't screw up with me. I'm just using typical languages. Don't screw up with me, because you know it's very hard. It's very easy for me to go back and find you. So don't do that. So he convinced me even then, saying, this is not the case.
You gave him a dhamki also.
Yeah, I gave him dhamki and everything also on the call.
Huh.
But he convinced me then also. He was like, no, if you don't want to do this, don't do this. Don't waste my time, but this is real, this is happening. And I'm like, oh my God, imagine the kind of length that they go for. So,
And it's not just music label, man. They impersonate us also.
Yes. Yes. In fact, we have a person that we know in South Bombay who's lost some 20 crores in a scam. Where the
Goodness.
guy has come as a police officer.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
digital
yeah.
arrest thing,
Digital
is
arrest
it?
thing.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Very, but I couldn't believe that they let all this money go, saying tax liability है, ये है, वो है, इसके यहाँ से निकालो, वहाँ पे डाल दो,
Yeah.
and little bit at a time, and over
Yeah.
some time it's
Yeah.
20 crores.
yeah.
Yeah.
Why are we doing podcasts? There's so much money to be made. No, that's why we're doing podcasts. Don't do things illegally. But these are educated people. This is like a lawyer couple, they know
Yeah.
the world and all that, but they still get fooled, like you're saying.
और manipulation and
और acting.
हाँ बहुत real होते हैं.
They only win the audition. इन लोग का जो performance है, because it's like when we used to do the show Bakra, in the first few seconds you know कि the person is convinced or not. From the eye contact, you know immediately if this is going anywhere or
Yeah.
not. It doesn't take long. So they hook you very fast, right?
Yeah.
अब जब उसको मालूम है कि you're involved in this thinking, then they'll just go in and take control.
True. एक second set of Oscar शुरू करना चाहिए.
The first set हम लोग को क्यों मिला? कुछ नहीं मिला.
Pardon?
We have not won. We have won one AR Rahman and one.
नहीं, I said ये scammers के लिए करना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
scammers के
इतना
लिए.
अच्छा acting करता है ना.
I agree.
They're too good.
Very good. And then look at the, what do you call it, the post production and pre production, na? the kind of the copyright
quality.
thing that they're showing you, the contract they're showing
Yeah,
you,
true.
the logo they're showing you.
True.
I think they take names also, no? कि
Yeah,
boss
yeah,
ये है,
absolutely.
वो है, ये है, वो है.
Absolutely.
yeah,
पूरा
yeah.
एकदम, और वो लोग पर्सनलाइज कर देते हैं. वो तो एक चीज़ है, लाइक बट यू सी योर पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो ना. जैसे मेरी मॉम को किसी का फ़ोन आया कि मेरे डैड ने उनको पैसे भेजे हैं एंड द गूगल पे इज़ नॉट वर्किंग, सो यू नो आई हैव सेंट यू 50,000 इंस्टेड ऑफ 5,000, गिव मी माई 45,000 बैक. दोज लिटिल स्कैम्स दैट यू सी एवरीवेयर अराउंड यू आर सो पर्सनलाइज्ड. ठीक है, ये ऐसे नहीं हुआ है कोई रैंडमली कॉल कर रहा है रॉन्ग नंबर पे, ऐसे नहीं, बहुत टारगेटेड, वेरी वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड
But I'm
टारगेटेड.
scared. Google Pay भी dangerous है.
See, payment systems are not dangerous. Somebody using it to clean up your account is dangerous.
Yes.
So what they can do is, let's say there are pay versus, withdraw versus pay links. So they convince you to click on something which basically drains out your money rather than, you getting money. So basically,
Or maybe they invest in you first. And
They don't. So what
No?
they
They don't,
probably
yeah.
will do is, if you see, there'll be a WhatsApp message, or not WhatsApp, normal text message that would come. अगर पैसे आते हैं तो उसमें लिखा होता है ना कि क्रेडिटेड हुआ है आपके ये अकाउंट में, वैसे आपको एक मैसेज आएगा. सेम हुआ था कि वो मैसेज आता है कि यू हैव रिसीव 50,000 वट एवर. यू आर नॉट गोइंग बैक टू योर बैंक बैलेंस एंड चेकिंग. तुम ऐप में जाके देख नहीं रहे हो ना. तो दे लाइक कि अब पैसे आ गए, आपको मैसेज आ गया है, आप मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस करो. ठीक है, their idea is not, it will not reflect in your bank balance, but it will reach out to you in
So what you're
ways
saying is that
जहाँ
we
पर
are quick
मिलेगा.
to act on the fact that SMS आ गया
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ,
or whatever, some notification has come.
Yes, yes.
We have to actually stop and go back into
Verify,
the
yeah.
check your
Absolutely.
actual
Verification
accounts
is key, yes.
and see कि अगर this money has been transferred or not and all that.
Also, you know, it's the wording is similar to an official notification, but the source is not
Yeah,
official.
absolutely.
It comes from, let's say, a mobile number.
Hmm.
Yeah. Recently, a friend of mine, he was holidaying somewhere. He gets a 6-digit code, and you know,
Bargaon.
yeah, he's you know, partying somewhere, and he gets a message saying that on WhatsApp from a known person. Let's say Cyrus. I get a message from Cyrus saying, "Hey, you know, I accidentally sent you a 6-digit code. Why don't you send it back to me?" And the moment he sent it back, his WhatsApp got hacked. So what they do is they generate these kind of pins, right, for verification. They try to register WhatsApp on your number, and pin would go to somebody, right? So if one account is hacked, then this account starts sending this message to everybody that, hey, I accidentally sent this 6-digit code. The moment you send it, your account also gets hacked. And then it spreads like wildfire. And I've seen these things like spreading like a pandemic.
So basically, we should not answer the message. Because if we reply to the message and
Verify
send
it,
it back,
verify. Don't.
I mean, they won't. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
They won't ask you to reply to that message. They are on the call with you, telling you they need their money back because they've added extra zero.
Oh, in that case,
it's,
yeah.
it's like you don't reply to your bank, right? When they send you a credit note saying, "Hey, you have received, let's say, 5,000, 10,000, whatever." You don't respond. But what they expect you to do is go on Google Pay or these Phone Pay links. Now you can even request money on Google Pay or Phone Pay from the other person, right? So all they ask you to do is go ahead and give me my extra money that I have sent you. I was supposed to say, let's say 50,000, give me my 45 back because I've added extra zero. No one responds. But then a lot of people, what they don't do is go back to their net banking or check balance and see whether or not they've actually received the money in their bank account. I think that verification is very, very critical for you to take next step.
but otherwise, what do we do if when this happens before you? I mean, later on you're verifying. But how is there any way to find out कि the authentic party है या नहीं from the beginning?
हाँ, वो सोर्स पता चल जाता है ना जब आपको मैसेज आता है. एक HDFC से लेट्स से मैसेज आता है तो HDFC का आपको पता है कि वहीं से मैसेज आ रहे हैं. अगर एक रैंडम नंबर से HDFC का आ रहा है कि आपके अकाउंट में इतने क्रेडिट हो गए, दैट इज नॉट द बैंक सोर्स. बैंक ओनली हैज वन सोर्स.
But मैं dyslexic हूँ ना, तो HDFD भी आएगा तो I'll think it's HDFD. No, there's so many difficult ones here.
But now I think that dry regulations which allow this kind of messaging only from limited numbers. And also calls are now from very limited numbers, which are for these specific purposes. So also international calls, many of the service providers are now telling you that this is an international call. Otherwise, you know, you pick up the call, you don't realize that it's +91 or +92 or +97. So now if it comes international call, then you realize that, okay, this is a +92 or a +97 call, and which may likely be a scam if you don't have.
The moment you see international number, you
Yeah.
should worry.
Quite
Unless you have a
possibly.
girlfriend in France. सर सच बताओ तो
एनिवर्सरी इसका है
मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड तेरे साथ स्कैम
दैट इज वुमेन वर्सेस स्कैम
see that's your sequel आ गया
That's the thing that you're coming to now. Okay.
No,
Okay, I hear you.
we'll come to the romantic scams as well.
Romance scam, not romantic scam.
Romance scam. Sorry, you're right. ये तो अध्यापक का जैसा है ना. Can't say anything here.
You
Straight
said
away,
wrong things.
minus marks. you got a very sharp mind, so it's very dangerous. Yeah. So let's now, before we go to the romance scam, let's just conclude this. What can we do? I'm asking the question for a layman, because it happens all the time. You're in a hurry, you're distracted, you're doing your work, your wife's shouting at you, whatever it is. Very often, I think people are not paying attention when they deal with these things,
Yeah.
and they just get them off their back. Jawab to de do. Just get rid of this guy.
Classic mental hack. They create a sense of urgency. They create a sense of authority, right? And they are taking advantage of your goodness. Like somebody says, I have paid 50 to you by accident, and you'll need to return. So you as a good person would want to return that money. You won't want to keep that money. So all of this in combination, they would create a situation where they want it immediately right now. I think just stop. Stop there.
Yeah, they do that thing within 5 minutes and
Yes,
30
yes,
seconds and
yes,
ye wo.
yes.
That pressure is important.
That pressure is important. So just get out of the pressure first and recheck. So two things, and use common sense. So many times, you get these calls about your package being delivered somewhere, or your package has been caught somewhere, something contraband is in there. But think, if you haven't ordered something, why is a package coming? So
But
just stop.
कभी-कभी joint family में happens in my house all the time. Nobody knows who's ordered what. And a lot of Indian families are like this. 8-10 लोग हैं, and they're not always communicating.
Yeah.
So what happens is somebody rings the bell.
They're
बेचारा आ
communicating
गया.
only with Amazon.
So in such a case, then what do? You have to. The main thing is there a thing that you can go to? Maybe a
No,
site
but
you can
see,
go to?
somebody who's ordered, they would order from their number. Why would they give your number, even in a family?
No, but the address they'll give, no?
Address they'll give,
Oh.
right?
So
But
the
if you
thing
get a
will-
phone call saying that, you know, your package has been caught or your package has been received, something like that, if you have not called for anything, if you don't remember calling for something, why fall for it? Maybe it's just stop.
But is
there.
it possible to receive something from a company sometimes?
Difficult. Sometimes, yeah, people send some
Physical?
wedding gifts or something, and those irritating chaps who get lost,
Huh.
like I got lost today.
How do you get lost?
I was
Let's go to
reading-
this story. Breaking
no,
news.
Today.
You got lost here?
Google
कितना बार
Maps took me round
5-6
and round.
episodes भी किया. You come here before.
Yeah, but I was reading something and I got lost. Google.
Sir, I'm talking about you as the head of cyber security, one of the finest security experts.
I can find
आप
IP.
पहुंचा भी नहीं.
I can find IP addresses.
You're good online.
Yeah, only.
Offline you chill.
Only.
Just like scammers. You know.
Just like scammers.
Sorry, so just getting back, just final word on this whole subject. You're saying that the moment you get a number that you're not used to and some strange thing कि
Yeah.
ये gift आ रहा है, whatever, which doesn't make sense, you're not sure about, what should we do?
Just have some healthy skepticism, right? And
Like she had, you said she had that, you had that moment where you
you
felt
have this ick.
ick. Huh? Huh.
See, but you understand that the scammers are getting better and better, and
Yeah.
they are masters at psychological manipulation. So they would always come up with a new flavor, new thing, right? So last time we did about this. As soon as the ITR season comes, they would have a theme to it. Right? They would talk about IT. So whatever they prime your mind, and whatever is current. Let's say if you have an IPL match or any concert, so they would sell tickets for that. So it's very topical. Only thing to do is to stop, verify, and use common sense.
Tickets, like that Kunal Kamra, comedian, selling tickets online. Everybody's looking away. Why are you all looking away? तेरे को क्या डर है? If they break down IBM, we'll all be happy. Sir will find the place. तो देखा वो देखा?
फिर मैं घूम जाऊंगा.
Because Habitat में ये side है, IBM ये side है.
कार में आना बंद कर देंगे.
Dadar, 5 Gardens, safe. We'll do it outdoors. All right. Before we go into a break, I just want to tell you what's coming up because I have no idea about this whole security thing. Actually, that's the problem. Most of our knowledge is so bad and so little. And like you said, also we are gullible and we want to do the good thing, the right thing. And they play on your minds because of that. And so then you feel doubt, ki boss, iska kuch hua, I should not be the responsible one for his suffering, etc., etc., etc. So is there, when we get in touch, when this happens, when it's already you've been scammed, what's your next step?
So a lot of things have been done. First of all, that there's something called flight of money. That money
Flight
flips-
of money.
Flight of money. That with real-time transactions, money starts jumping from one account to other.
Huh.
The scamsters have basically these things called mule accounts, wherein people loan out their accounts willingly or unwillingly, and this money goes into those accounts, and then it is taken away by the scamsters. But then before that, it traverses like 8-9 accounts, and it's broken into small pieces.
So the trail is difficult to catch.
It's very difficult
Ah.
to track. So that is why the central government has come up with this number 1930. That you call up 1930, then they call up all institutions, wallets, everybody, and say that, hey, don't let this money be transferred from your system. So the flight of money stops. 1930 is a number which you should instantly call if you lose money.
1930.
1930.
Hey, Prithvi bhai, soon. He's watching some dirty film on his video. Put the number in the thing. Mostly people don't know what to do when this happens. They just panic and...
Yes. And second is cybercrime.gov.in. It's a national cybercrime report.
Cybercrime.gov.in.
Yeah, cybercrime reporting portal. Cybercrime.gov.in. And you have to report here. You can even report if you, let's say, have done something which you don't want to, report in your own name.
Oh,
If you're
Yeah.
scared, right?
like
then you can-
download dirty material.
Yeah. He's busy.
See, they're all smiling, but see, huh?
So then you can report anonymously also. And while reporting, always preserve evidence, preserve screenshots. And like I said in other episodes, that sometimes, let's say somebody is talking to you on a messenger, they can remotely delete. Right? So before that, just if you suspect that you have been scammed, at least preserve all
As
evidence.
much as you can.
Yeah,
Did you preserve in that case?
Yeah.
Once you started that eek feeling aa gaya, so then you started.
I had screenshots for everything. Yeah.
But still we couldn't trace this guy, the group or whatever they are.
Yeah, but then also that I did not take those measures at all. I was like, okay.
Could
this
we
is-
have
this
caught
is-
her scammers if she had worked
yes.
promptly
Yes.
with the screenshots and all that?
Yes, it takes time, but I'll tell you what. See, there are 2-3 things which criminals always use. One is that their modus remains for some time. Like they are not going to come up with a new story every time. थोड़ा इतना सब
मेहनत करके
इतना सलीम जावेद लोग बैठता है उनका.
हाँ ना. तो सलीम जावेद भी एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखने के बाद they need a break. हाँ.
एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखने के बाद में तो they use this script for some time. So it's in currency. Second is that they use this criminal infrastructure. So there would be a common set of numbers, common set of accounts, right? Common set of aliases which they would be using, or common set of stationery which looks very similar or official. So they are using this whole setup, and this setup continues for some time, and this leaves a digital footprint before they again destroy it and get to the next one. So till it is in currency, it still leaves a lot of footprint, and it can be definitely tracked and traced. Also, what happens is that somewhere they are caught. When they are caught, if you have evidence, then they can be linked back.
You mean somebody else catches them and then we can
Yes.
put the...
Because these people are generally become career criminals. That
और
they are
बहुत
doing-
लोग हैं एक scam में normally? A lot of people involved?
Interestingly, it has become something called an international cybercrime, organized cybercrime syndicates now. So there are compounds in Cambodia, Laos, and Myanmar where it's said that by estimates of United Nations Office on Drug and Crime, UNODC, probably 1 lakh people are housed in these compounds against their will. Almost 30,000 of them Indians who have been scammed under the guise of getting good jobs. These are good IT guys. They have been called to Thailand, Singapore, this that for under the guise of getting good jobs and whisked away to these
Other places.
these are SEZs. They are special economic zones.
Oh.
These are cybercrime farms which are existing.
And they are forced to...
Yeah, and in fact,
This is how the drug guys used to use people to work in their drug farms and
drug
all.
farms.
Huh.
So government of India recently rescued a large number of people from Cambodia. So efforts are on to rescue these people, and one batch of multiple batches, and a large batch has just come back.
So, Desi log, if you're an IT expert, don't leave the country. Anything can happen. Just
True.
take the job here.
True. वैसे भी H1B मिल नहीं रहा है आजकल.
वो तो एक कंट्री की बात है सर. Sorry, Canada is included now. I don't know.
यूरोप में वैसे भी jobs नहीं है.
Oh, exactly. And not for us, I'm
Yeah,
told.
true.
But we'll take a quick break, then come back. It's man versus scam, and we're going to talk about romance. Because that's a huge thing, and for because the people who watch
Romance scam.
romance scam, तो मेरा जो audience है ना, they're basically
यार ये romance के चक्कर में ही है.
सर मैं भी कोशिश करता कभी कभी romance scam. Not nowadays, but when I was younger. Not with internet. Just by lying about yourself. Most men do that. Utkarshika.
Most men do that.
Look at the tone of his voice. When he talks to you, his voice changes.
No, but I'm being honest here about, sir, बताओ ना, just because you're sophisticated.
Just
trained at
break
Shakespeare.
this down for me, right?
So
Tell
all
me
men
about
are,
men.
all men are the same.
Teach me about
British
men.
सर, आप तो poet हैं.
Man versus scam.
आप तो sophisticated आदमी हो.
Man is
I don't
scam
deny
is
that.
what you're saying?
Yeah.
Scam to है romance. I feel that men basically try to scam, to some extent we're trying to scam women by presenting ourselves in a certain way. I'm not talking about online, I'm just talking generally speaking. Then you do that with profiles, you do that with everything else, you exaggerate it even more. But deep down, who's sincere? Who's 100% sincere and comes and देख मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, future में कुछ नहीं है. I mean, who says that? We'll take a break, then we'll come back.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
I'm trying to restart the show, but these two are going on talking. They've taken over with Man vs. Scam. And sir has
We
become
always talk about serious stuff. Like this is the fun stuff.
I only saw bits of the show. Are you all this funny also in the show? Or you switch?
I mean, I am. He tries.
Yeah, it's always an effort, you know.
देखा मैंने
You have to graduate even to take a name.
yeah, really. I have to keep practicing.
Yeah.
It's just getting better. I wanted to ask you, I forgot in the middle. Is there a pet name?
She has a lot of pets.
I have a lot of.
I also like pets, don't worry.
Yeah.
That sounds creepy. Creepy लगता है ना?
Yeah.
You should not tell a woman you've just met, I like pets.
You are into petting.
Oh, sir. I'm telling
See,
you,
this
all
is
men
what
are the
he
same.
doesn't
Pets, I'm saying.
All
Pets.
men are the same. See, I've got a young daughter. She's 18 years old. I've been telling her the truth because I want her to be completely empowered.
See,
But-
you put all this glitter around. No men are nice. Like you.
No,
you
sir. I'll tell you,
her.
sir, का कहानी क्या है? Let me tell you, sir, का कहानी. Because he's well read, polished, speaks really well, and has very specific knowledge. It's very easy. He should be a scamster. I'm telling you.
You
This is
never
the
know.
best.
You never know.
You never know. So that's
When
the
are you
guy.
calling you?
You have
Give my
to you
money
have to
back.
believe in his knowledge, in his where he comes from. You know, education all that helps, yaar. Toxic a jungly way, you're going to say, paisa de do. You don't give any money. Speaking of which, let's discuss this breaking news that I've just got from Prithvi, who's our data analysis expert. कच्चा पेन क्या आता है ना? That's your tech guy.
Startup, yeah. Startup.
Startup,
Startup
startup.
वाले Genius.
Started by Facebook guy. What's his name?
Zuckerberg.
Zuckerberg. Zucker तो नहीं है. Mother Zucker. Sorry. No ball. Sikandar. So Salman Khan's film Sikandar, apparently a lot of pirated copies have been stopped. Is this true, and how does that happen? Cinema though is fighting this battle for the last 20 years, 25 years. The piracy and the prints getting out and no one can do anything about it. So many people, to be honest, people call up and tell you also कि boss मेरे पास है. I'll send you a link. Things like that.
So there are different kind of monetization networks, and generally what I've seen in piracy is that the film itself is not sold, but it is used for virality. That it gets you hits on a website where ads are sold. So it's an elaborate network where there is something which is just doing referrals. So there would be sites which would be just hosting links, and there they attract ads because people come to know that okay,
So
this
who's
is-
earning on that?
the chap who's running the referral site, he's earning.
Oh, so not the producer, not the owner of the film.
Not at all,
Huh.
because his film has been pirated.
Correct.
Yeah, but there are methods now. Like you can do a digital watermarking. Now, all of the theaters where films are shown digitally, each of these films is watermarked digitally. So you can go and find out where it has been leaked for. If somebody is, let's say, camcording or recording.
It's like a currency note where you can trace the
Yes.
numbers.
So there's a hidden, like a watermark, there's a hidden fingerprint to that, and it can be traced. And again, like I was telling about scams, there is a full criminal infrastructure for this. So there are servers and there are hosting services, there are streaming
बहुत
services.
मेहनत है ना ये चोरी
बहुत
करने में.
मेहनत है यार, ये तो है.
I feel bad for them. You MBA करके इंजीनियर बन जाओ. Do something else ना.
इसका
नहीं,
भी
but
एक
एक
NGO
बार
बना
किया
दिया.
तो वो रिपीटेबल है ना. See,
नहीं
these
पर वोटर्स
things are
ऑपरेटिंग चेंज हो
repeatable.
जाता है ना.
हाँ, बट देन वो कुछ टाइम तो चलता है ना. मतलब इवन फॉर लिंक्स फॉर दैट मैटर, हम लास्ट टाइम वही डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि टेलीग्राम फॉर एग्जांपल, इतने सारे पायरेसी, इतने सारे फिल्म्स आते हैं. यू जॉइन दिस पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप एंड देन यू विल सी ये वाला फिल्म हो जाएगा, ये डाउनलोड कर लो, वो डाउनलोड कर लो ना.
Yeah, they announce in advance.
या एंड द थिंग इज
Before the film release.
Yeah.
हाँ.
कि टेलीग्राम ये ग्रुप पे ये लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे, ये जो लिंक्स नेटफ्लिक्स पे अवेलेबल नहीं है, कहीं भी बहुत सारे मूवीज है जो यहाँ पर अवेलेबल नहीं है.
Because our
You'll
personal
find-
OTT is above everybody else.
So but yeah, you'll find that, but not necessarily all of those films are also going back to, it is taking you to the film, it's probably taking you to different sites.
Yeah.
So हमें तो चाहिए फ्री में. अगर ये नहीं है, हमसे रुका नहीं जाता ना कि 2 हफ्ते 3 हफ्ते रुक जाए, आ जाए OTT पे.
But why doesn't the producer himself or owner of the film, जो भी है distributor, why don't they only pirate the film?
But there's no monetization in that.
But they can monetize to the website that puts ads on the site and all that, na?
They won't know whom to contact.
Black market.
They are just trying to get people to hold hands and come together as a community.
Yeah,
So I'm
yeah,
just trying to
yeah,
see अगर अब ये चोरी में
बहुत देशभक्ति है आप में.
Actually yes. I'm looking at it from humanity
He's
point of
opening
view.
a scam NGO, Bichara scamster.
तो अगर पैसा बनाना है तो at least let them make the money. That's the only thing, because but it's rampant still, na? It's not.
I think the model is changing. See, the way Moser Bear changed piracy, that CDs became so cheap that piracy did not make any sense. Similarly, nowadays you get everything on OTT in a week or something. So this,
But it kills the cinema release, na? वो भी है ना. The moment because OTT in any case is coming in the way,
Yeah.
and then it's releasing it fast. Because aren't they fighting for that? Ki have a longer gap between film ka release and OTT. I think Amir Khan made a big deal out of it.
Yeah, but then that's the part of the contract, right? If it doesn't come back, like if the movies are not working in the theaters at all, so then OTT is the
Only way
the
out.
way to, yeah.
Huh.
And it's in their contract. You'll see it, right? The partner OTT platform partner, and then they have an agreement that okay, whenever no one's अगर छावा already चल रही है, तो दूसरे हफ्ते डाल थोड़ी ना देंगे OTT में. जब तक वो चलेगी, then they have an agreement, certain agreements that is there. So you will never see second, third week if the movie is going well. So that's an understanding, but it is a business call than anything else.
also technology changes the mode in which we consume content. Is that earlier going to theatre was a thing, that you go to the theatre, you'll get a popcorn or a coffee or a cold drink.
बहुत
you'll
महंगा
enjoy
हो गया
it.
ना.
बहुत ज़्यादा
That's
मूवी से महंगा पॉपकॉर्न है आज के
2000-3000 रुपया जाता है एक small family के लिए. What kind of experience is
That's
this यार?
true.
3000 में I can marry again. I can get some out of work comedian to do the comedy also.
Goodness, man.
No, 3000
And
is
there are
too-
many nowadays.
Sir, my father used to take us to Eros to watch that 1 rupee Britannia animal movies here in the 90s, 80s. Ah.
So that also, so the mode of consumption changes with devices, with technology, with streaming. 5G has made it very easy now to stream content in real time. Bandwidth costs have gone low, and many people are having smartphones. So content viewing practices are shifting, and as this shifts, the economics also changes. And hence, you are saying if movies are going to be very expensive and popcorn is going to be expensive. So people would definitely shift to these devices. And if people feel that there is monetization on devices happening, then the producer also would monetize through OTT. And I think if you look at the overall budget of movies today, then there is a large part which they earn also from online content. That's why piracy is a threat.
We are online content.
Yes.
We are not released in the cinema yet. We will release, but
And we'll earn also.
we of 100%.
Someday.
अपना piracy कौन करेगा sir?
हाँ यार.
They'll do piracy, return it. दे बेटा आजा इधर वापस ले print. देखा program बकवास है. No, you're okay. हाँ.
In fact, one author told me something. He said the success of you, I've written 2-3 books. So one author told me the success of your books is when you see it pirated. नहीं तो कोई पूछता नहीं है यार.
That's true. For artists also, when knuckle starts and that
Yeah,
mimicry and all
true,
starts, that
true,
means they've come
true,
somewhere.
true,
Until then, it doesn't matter.
True.
So, have your books been pirated, sir?
नहीं यार अभी तक नहीं हुआ. Hello scamster.
Come on, यार.
थोड़ा
Have a-
एनजीओ
you
खोलो.
know
थोड़ा
the
एनजीओ
market.
खोलो.
Scamster, have a heart, यार.
थोड़ा दया करो. हमारा भी एनजीओ बनाओ.
सर ने
You
क्या
know
क्या
the
किया?
market. You know where to reach.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to romance. We run out of time. I mean, romance scams.
Scam.
Because
Yeah.
that's the big thing. And the flavor is getting better and better. Can you just take us through?
What are you exactly up to?
मैं तो
Are you scared? Is
No,
there
I'm
something bothering? This
I'm
is a
not, I'm
safe
not scared with
space.
my
You can tell
single.
us.
See, I'm 53. So my single friends, male and female, who are there, and trust me, they are there. They are the ones who go on these sites all the time. They tell me all these horror stories. I would never go. Na, Aisha, I love you. Aisha है ना बीवी का नाम.
ये बहुत मरेगा ये बॉम्बे जिम में रात में भी रहेगा अभी.
दारू वापस
शुरू करने वाला है ये. नेक्स्ट टाइम मीट हिम ऑन फ्राइडे बार नाइट आराम से मिलेगा और वो बॉडी और बन जाएगा कूट काट के.
2-3 बैग्स के साथ क्या हो गया?
गाड़ी में सोएगा बाहर.
हमारे
पुणे
पॉडकास्ट
हाईवे
रिलीज होने के
पुणे
बाद
हाईवे स्ट्रेट.
बैग उठा के बाइसेप बना रहा है.
क्या क्या करते हैं आप लोग शो पे यार. So let's understand what is the modus operandi for these scams. How a lot of women have been scammed, a lot of men. What is this Brad Pitt one that they had given me? Brad Pitt.
yeah, that was very interesting because that is the one कि it is inclusive of both romance scam and deepfake technology. क्योंकि वहाँ पर this lady started talking to this fake Brad Pitt and then she left her happy
What do you mean by
marriage.
fake Brad Pitt?
मतलब it was not him.
But why would she think he's talking to her?
Because he was on the video call in the hospital asking for
Deepfake.
money.
It's a real
Deepfake technology.
live
They're
deepfake.
using the actual.
Yeah,
Huh.
absolutely.
But it's a live deepfake. Like it's a live video call.
So AI is doing this.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So he's replying properly.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are as a person, I'm assuming that that's Brad Pitt, and whatever I'm saying, like we are talking, the reply is coming.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And it's not her fault, yeah, boss. I mean,
True.
Sure.
True.
although she should still think Brad Pitt means जवाब क्यों दे रहा है? She looks at her husband. Hey, Praveen भाई, Brad Pitt, Praveen भाई, Brad Pitt यहाँ से वो मारुति से कैडिलैक एक
थोड़ा
मिनट में
अपना भी
कैसे हो गया?
औकात देखना चाहिए ना।
Exactly.
नहीं ये अपने लेता। That was for us, Cyrus.
Keep a mirror in the house. Sorry, we keep interrupting like children.
I
So the AI is working, and so she's convinced कि ये actually है वो. फिर
हाँ तो फिर उसने Brad Pitt said, listen, I need money because I'm in the hospital.
Brad
You know,
Pitt didn't say.
Imagine.
तू मत बोल Brad Pitt said.
Imagine.
How can you say Brad Pitt said?
Yeah.
He said, "I'm in pits, please."
But was that
And
actually?
why is Brad Pitt reaching out to Anjali Sharma? I don't understand that connection. Brad Pitt Los Angeles में फंस गया और इधर पवाई लेक के सामने Mrs. Anjali Sharma, who's bored housewife, he's talking to her.
ये वाली
But ये
ये
इंडिया का
Brazilian
केस
थी
है.
कहीं
Yeah,
थी।
this is not इंडिया का.
Brazilian तो ठीक है यार. Not
Wow, guys,
desi girl,
wow.
my
Wow,
desi
I
girl.
can see, अब मिरर की जरूरत नहीं है. Very nice. I see it. And now I
साला
see
अपने को
through
कोई
you.
स्कैम ही नहीं करेगा।
45 minutes, the female anger has started.
Yeah.
Female Shakti. Brad Pitt ने कहा कि
तो मतलब बेसिकली शी वाज इन दिस मैरिज, उसने पैसे वैसे भेजे जो भी है. एक तो फर्स्ट मैं अगर ब्रैड पिट को पैसे की हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की जरूरत है, दैट इज योर एक
I
ना
know.
कि ये क्या है, उसके पास
Red
पैसे
flag.
ही नहीं है, मैं क्या गरीब आदमी से
नहीं,
शादी
साइड नोट
करूंगी.
उसने डिवोर्स भी कर लिया।
हाँ दैट लेडी लेफ्ट हर एक्टिव मैरिज, उसने डिवोर्स कर दिया अपने पति को क्योंकि वो ब्रैड पिट से शादी करने
ये
वाला था.
कारण है
हाँ
that she's marrying him.
या
Yeah,
But
and
that's
he's
not sounding real, no? Even I know, but the guy is I
no,
don't know
but
stuff, yaar.
this is a real
This
case
is a
study.
real case. Yes.
This is
You know,
a
on a
real
serious
case.
note, these things are really serious, and they involve you for months.
Yeah.
मतलब they are on text continuously. They are
Haan,
wishing you.
that's
good
what we're not
morning,
telling you.
good
The
evening.
guys worked really hard to do this.
Oh, absolutely.
It's
There's
a-
an infrastructure built, right? There
So-
was a scam, elaborate scam that happened for 8 years. Approximately 6 to 8 years, where this lady was chatting. I don't know. But
That British
if
scam.
No. If you guys remember about this Facebook, people used to poke each other,
Haan,
have
haan.
Facebook chats, and this lady chatted with this guy for 6 to 8 years. Okay, and then turns out this guy never existed, and he's married to someone else, and everything. But then 8 years, 8 long years is a long time because this guy would never come on video call saying,
And she's fallen for the guy.
yeah.
For 8
Yeah.
years.
See, if they don't exist, the woman loves you. इसमें कुछ है, profound thought है इसमें सर मुझे.
I think
Pro tip.
emotional stability अगर आदमी दिखा दे, that is your एक, you should know कि ये वाला सही नहीं है.
हाँ.
हाँ, अगर लगे कि हाँ वो इमोशनली अवेलेबल है हर टाइम, स्टेबिलिटी है, तो you know that this is a
Too
time
good
to
to be
run.
true. Too good to be
थोड़ा
true.
रास्कल गिरी होना चाहिए, पता है? मतलब
देखा this too good.
you need to be rascal.
अभी mention ना मैं ना.
मतलब शरीफ आदमी का जमाना नहीं
Correct,
है
यार.
एक शरीफ आदमी बचे नहीं है. Let's just go there.
अपने
ये
endangered-
गाली क्यों दे?
we are endangered species.
आपके सामने तो 1 2
Cyrus, yeah.
3 4 5 सर आप जाओ.
अपन endangered species declared.
कम तो है बट है.
है.
Right?
अभी दरवाजा खोल रहे थे, अपने को पैसे भी मिल रहे थे.
And sir purposely got lost so you could reach first.
Yeah.
What a gentleman.
Chivalrous, you know.
Ladies first
Oh
ना,
my
ladies
God.
first.
Oh my God.
पुलिस
so
हमेशा
nice.
बाद में आता है.
Nice.
Sir's on a roll. We'll count how many jokes he's cracked. Plenty of punches, sir. I think next book should be comedy.
Yeah, man.
Too much of this save the world, save this. हो गया अभी. Forget about the world. World को कोई नहीं बचा सकता है. World is gone.
Shave the world.
Save the world. That's the title. It was supposed to be an intellectual conversation between 3 intellectuals.
अरे
2.5.
मराठीत म्हटलं shave.
Show the world.
Shave the world.
Sorry, where were we? Brad Pitt का क्या हुआ? So then, how did that end? That whole story.
She lost the money.
How much are we talking about?
I don't know. I don't remember. Do you
But like
remember?
serious amount of money?
Yeah,
अच्छा,
serious
तगड़ा.
amount. Good.
तगड़ा पैसा
money.
गया.
How sad. And there's no due diligence again that one can apply with this so-called interface with some famous person.
Ah, that should be done, यार.
हाँ, it should be, but वो पता है, प्यार में अंधे होते तो आजू बाजू दिखता नहीं है.
Beautiful.
Yup.
Actually, we are joking about it, but it makes
Yeah,
sense
it's a
because
serious
people
thing,
want to believe what they want to believe.
yeah,
That there is
absolutely.
this great guy, he
Yeah.
loves me, I don't need this terrible husband of mine. This is my wife talking. I can hear it.
इसका बॉम्बे जिम के बाहर में
Personal
स्लॉट लगा रहा हूँ पार्किंग का.
बॉम्बे जिम का पार्किंग
इसको
इशू.
गाड़ी में शेव द वर्ल्ड भी कराएंगे.
सर मैं गाड़ी में रहेगा उसके बाद ना घर भी नहीं
वो तो
होगा
बोलो, गाड़ी
तो
में shave
शेव
करेगा।
सब करना पड़ेगा उसमें थैंक्स टू यू
स्विमिंग पूल में नहाएगा
स्विमिंग पूल में नंगा नाउ हाउ विल वी सेव द वर्ल्ड
नहीं नहीं the world needs to be saved
From
from this nanga.
Utkarshika's face is now like I'm a bit too drunk man no. You know how we men
did I miss like some
वो like क्या फूक
some
के आए?
portion?
exactly ये अपना body language कैसा होता है ना when you're drinking that you keep laughing and talking over each other and all
ये मैं चकना वाला बिहेव कर रही हूँ पता है?
या वो तो है नहीं कुछ चकना
इनको
वकना लाना
चकना
ना
भी नहीं
don't
दिया
have it.
ये लोग बैठे भी वैसे हैं
वेलकम टू IVM अब तो सब फैंटेसी में होता है यहाँ पे एक्चुअल प्रोडक्शन नहीं है
वो इस पे होता है ना ट्विटर पे somebody says something which is too good to be true बोले भाई क्या फूक रहा है भेजना
I want to have what he is having
yeah
That's a polite way of saying sir what sir is saying is illegal I don't want to be part of it
अरे झाड़ फूक की बात क्या
हाँ ठीक है
झाड़ फूक की बात क्या
गुड शेव अच्छा we let's finish with the Brad Pitt story so that it cannot be undone वो पैसा जो गया वो गया
हस्बैंड भी गया
वो तो गुड न्यूज़ है ना भाई बैड न्यूज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं अभी हम लोग he lost the husband that's not lost the husband went sorry not lost we should do this whole podcast again और तमीज से बात करेगा स्क्रिप्ट को फॉलो करते हैं इसके बाद यार
ये स्क्रिप्ट किधर गया यार
पता नहीं यार इसमें मम्मी ने कुछ लिखा है इसमें कि यू ब्रिंग द लॉन्ड्री होम I write notes important I'm from the 80s and 90s yeah the notes I'll tell you a story unrelated to all this these kids don't understand my mother on Saturday used to send me with a basket and all these things written to buy you know for the house and a lot of kids used to do this
Yeah.
where we used to go
Yeah, we used to do
stand
that.
so these kids don't understand all this tak karke what do you want blanket I used to stand
they don't understand
and
how we earned our pocket money
yeah, and Utkarshika, I didn't know what like Comfort and all these bloody sanitary napkins were. Everything was written there, na? And they're laughing at me and giving me things. They're all kinds of awkward things for a 10-year-old boy to take home. How I was treated here. Malabar Hill is not a great place for many people.
seems like a bigger problem my
yeah. How did we reach here? We're talking about cyber security and how to save people. Achha, quick, one more romantic scam. Romance scam. रोमांटिक में क्यों बोलता है रोमांटिक इट्स लाइक आई वांट टू फसाओ माय सेल्फ रोमांटिक
ये मरने वाला है
आई विल बिलीव इट आई एम अ लियो बॉस आई विल बिलीव वेरी फास्ट गर्ल सेज एनीथिंग नाइस आई विल बी या डन आई बिलीव यू
I don't think it has anything to do with horoscope
यू डोंट थिंक
horoscope
horoscope
Astro Talk according to Prithvi my producer is also a bit of a scam but you do नहीं मैं लॉयर का बच्चा हूँ भाई आई एम नॉट टेकिंग द ब्लेम जिम्मेदारी है आपका सो
इसका ग्रह नक्षत्र खराब है आज
यस
and that's not a
वो
scam
scam नहीं है that's mathematically calculated no but there is a bit of scam to that ki we all I mean you all are super educated people but you read it then you start getting little worried now they suggest it's similar like how the scam does they suggest Leo this that these qualities that qualities and that goes into your subconscious after that and I think it stays then you start believing the myth only कि ये है क्वालिटीज
स्टार्ट्स एट होम ना घर पे जब पहले बच्चों में पेपर आता था तो हम सबसे पहले पता है वो खोलते थे हॉरोस्कोप
Astrology,
वाला
हाँ।
कर्क
हाँ।
और जो भी राशियां हैं वो पढ़ते थे आज का दिन कैसे जाएगा फिर सुबह सुबह जो आज तक वगैरह में पंडित जी आके
He didn't
बताते हैं
read it
ना
today
नो
इसने आज पढ़ा नहीं है
अब तो न्यूज़पेपर नहीं है but I used to read
है ना?
in my childhood she's absolutely right
Yeah.
every day I would read it and I would read my family's
Hey,
good daddy का
same.
mood कैसा है I mean what kind of people are we यार they send us to school and college proper education करके घर आते हैं और फिर हम चेक करते हैं मूड कैसा है नौकरी मिलेगा या नहीं So we are ready to be scammed with my point here.
Yeah.
Slightly.
We're ready to be manipulated. I think we
Manipulated.
want to also hear ना हमें कोई बोल दे कि आज का दिन ऐसा या फिर कोई ये सामने से बताए तो ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ ठीक है it's your bias right this is how you want to go अगर कभी आज तक या सुबह सुबह 8-9 बजे चालू कर लो they'll also tell you उपाय दिन खराब जा रहा है ये करो आप वो करो वो करो तो वी ऑल्सो वांट टू डू दैट राइट मेरी मॉम तो बहुत डिलिजेंटली
काली
सुनती
गाय
है
को रोटी खिलाओ
हाँ मेरी मॉम बहुत डिलिजेंटली सुनती है ये सारी चीजें कि आज ये
Prithvi
करेंगे
is a manglik. We have a tree outside the building every day. हर दिन शादी करता है वो. अभी I heard the tree is shifting. Please understand. He said Prithvi Naam in case you didn't get his.
I still didn't get it.
We'll tell the tree.
Brijesh sir is laughing, and as long as he's laughing, we are keeping it. इसे कॉमेडी का कुछ मतलब नहीं होता है. You don't look at inner meaning for everything, यार. हाँ. Look at what we have created. It's just like a bunch of junglis in a canteen now, yaar. Can't even have a conversation. It's embarrassing me. Out. हाँ.
Hey, that's quite an effort, huh? Embarrassing him.
ठीक से कपड़ा पहन के आना.
देख यार टांगे दिखा रही है.
You know what his thing is? क्योंकि मैं शॉर्ट्स पहनता तो he also has to wear shorts. मेरे पास 2 बच्चा है. Go get your kids. Tomorrow bring 2 children here. कुत्ता भी 2 है. Wife तो एक ही है shit. Where are we guys? You've taken the show. You hijacked my show.
Seriously.
What's going on?
You're welcome. It's
Utkarsh
okay.
guy.
No, okay, we nearly reached the end. Anything more on the romance? Oh, again, what is the way to protect yourself when you're going to Tinder and Bumble and all these that you guys go to?
That
You guys it's very subtle, very subtle.
I am
अभी
not
आपस
on
में
any
झगड़ा हो
social
गया.
media. ए बाबा.
सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट का सिक्योरिटी कौन करेगा भाई?
I think both of you, let's connect.
अरे
after the
मेरे घर के
podcast
पास
is
बॉम्बे
released.
मैं भी आ रहा हूँ रे. एक और चटाई लगाना पड़ेगा.
इसका कर्मा.
देखिए सर, बॉम्बे जिम और बम्बल में बहुत फर्क है भाई. जो नहीं मिलता बम्बल पे वो बॉम्बे जिम में मिलेगा.
फ्री में शेव द वर्ल्ड.
सेव द वर्ल्ड.
ये पॉडकास्ट रिलीज होने के बाद ना एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर अ वीक आई वुड लाइक टू गेट ऑन अ कॉल विद यू गाइस आस्किंग कैसा था. सब ठीक है.
तो हम तुमको हॉस्पिटल
Where are you guys?
में नहीं हॉस्पिटल में टांग लगा के कॉल देगा वहाँ पे.
उत्कर्षिका, you're not understanding. सर का नौकरी में परिवर्तन होगा. He'll be doing comedy. He's safe. You and I, what will we do? You're the security expert.
I mean if he'll do comedy he's still not safe.
नहीं सर का प्रोटेक्शन है बहुत.
चिंता नहीं करो.
Sir is organized.
हम बेवकूफी वाली कॉमेडी नहीं करेंगे ना, अच्छी कॉमेडी करेंगे.
You have to know the great
Nice.
comedian.
कॉमेडी करना चाहिए, चुतियापन नहीं करना चाहिए.
Yeah. वो लक्ष्मण रेखा, सीमा रेखा जो है ना, you have to know where exactly it is. That's it.
The grey line.
Sir
Grey line.
comes from the other side, so he knows where it is. No? Some people they're just wandering into the country. पता नहीं कहाँ है. Oh shit! Ah yeah. Life is short. So Bumble and what are the? Give me the sites. अबे your सर ने 3 बार डिवोर्स किया.
हाँ यार.
3 बार डिवोर्स किया.
बम्बल के चक्कर में.
लगता है? Hinge.
बम्बल है हिंज मैं बताती हूँ.
हाँ. ओह यार, मैडम पे क्लोज लगा रहे. कॉमेडी हम दो करते हैं.
बम्बल है, टिंडर है, हिंज है, राया है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर व्हाट इज दैट ग्राइंडर समथिंग.
वही एक मिनट, वो गे वेबसाइट कौन सा
हाँ
है?
हाँ.
मिक्सर ग्राइंडर.
No, check with them. No?
मिक्सर ग्राइंडर.
No, it's fine, यार. It's fine.
Sure. Okay.
अपना स्पेशलिटी नहीं है,
हाँ,
but we don't
बिल्कुल,
mind.
बिल्कुल,
I encourage homosexuality. I feel it's better market for the non-homosexuals,
Yeah.
no? Because more men are taken care of.
The
so-
sheriff endangered species.
हाँ. Only fans, you have to contribute in the middle of our conversation.
वो शॉर्ट्स पहन के अगली बार देख क्या करेगा पता नहीं.
He's like this.
OnlyFans is not a dating website or app.
It feels like to people it feels like dating.
22 साल का लड़का है, वही just talks for no reason. I don't know how to control him, यार. ये भी premature. Speculation. Premature speculation.
That's a good one.
हाँ,
Yeah,
तो-
use is a premature
Yeah,
speculation.
speculation. अब तो there's no
Can I?
You please.
बचाने के चक्कर में.
Yeah.
Okay, so बहुत सारे apps हैं. We were also discussing in one of the episodes कि very fact I don't know अगर आप लोग हो dating websites पे no
I'm
judgment.
not
तो
on
ये
any
क्यों पूछ रहा है? ये पर्सनलाइज क्यों करता है बीच में?
Yeah.
मैं फिर
I'm not on
मेरी
any-
शर्म आती है अभी.
any social
अभी शर्म
media.
आती है, दोनों को शर्म आती है. देखो फेस में देखा बदलाव हो गया, देखा सर का स्माइल भी. सर बताओ, सही बताओ.
All my fake profiles I won't tell.
But उनको
बट
verify
बाय
करना
चांस
पड़ता
बाय
है.
मिस्टेक अगर अपना दोनों का चक्कर में कोई रोमांस चालू हो गया ना, आई नो इट सर विल बी करेक्टिंग मी.
मैं मदद करने के लिए आया वहाँ. मैं भाई को बचा रहा हूँ.
विल बी करेक्टिंग स्पेलिंग्स, फ्रेजिंग, वर्ड्स. वो है इक. हाँ.
Yeah.
सो लिसन प्लीज. या
हाँ, तो
उसको
verification.
बोलने दो ना यार.
मैं कुछ बातें करते बीच में.
This is such a men behavior, huh? Like what is this?
हाँ, please brother.
Thank you so much. ठीक है. 5 मिनट है
5 मिनट ये नहीं हो पाएगा.
Now she's interrupting herself.
क्योंकि मैं बोलने जा रही हूँ.
Why you behaving? Why you behaving like a man?
Sometimes, I mean,
Behave like a
because
scam.
men aren't.
Deख.
Because men aren't.
This man versus scam. Behave like the scam.
Scam तो अपना कोई नहीं है ना. Now all quiet because they're all dirty guys. See, that's why. Sorry.
वो ओनली फैंस पे डेटिंग करता है, सोच के देखो.
ओनली फैंस का कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या था, उसका मतलब क्या है, उसका करेक्शन क्या है, सेगवे क्यों हो गया बीच में? I don't understand what you're talking about. We are talking when you register your profile on a. You're talking about only fans. You dirty people like you go to watch young men or women or whatever and यार come on. सर मैं नहीं करता.
अपने को तो पता भी नहीं क्या है.
नहीं. वो नॉर्थ में ओनली फैन है, प्लूरल सिंगुलर का इशू. आई लाइक द ओनली फैन. हाँ, यू वर सेइंग.
So verification लगता है इसके लिए. Please.
Sorry.
Guys, ready?
She's still trying
Yeah,
with a school of complete delinquents. हाँ.
Please.
Thanks. So, like I said, 3-4 popular websites और apps हैं. लेकिन उसमें verification लगता है. लेकिन now that is very easy also to bypass. Now this is something that we covered in one of our podcasts. That verifying was everything, right? We would always swipe right or left depending upon, of course, chehra and other things. But also
Other things का मतलब क्या है?
also
अब तो पहला तो information वही है.
Mama's boy
Yeah.
और you know I mean I'm not a feminist ऐसा सब लिखा है तो कोई क्यों करे है ना. Other
The
things
two
is that.
options she gave us in the profile are mama's boy and I'm not a feminist.
That's why he goes to OnlyFans.
He's a mama's boy.
These are
इधर ऐसा कोई प्रोफाइल है ही
क्यों?
नहीं.
नहीं.
लेकिन
या
ये
है.
लड़के की
या
प्रोफाइल क्यों
है.
देख रहा है.
होगा सर होगा. Obviously older women, mummy's boy.
Sorry. Censor करो यार ये.
वो रणवीर का याद आ गया. Don't talk about the family. हाँ.
Yeah.
Thank you.
बच गया.
There's a-
Shave
The one.
and off.
Okay, so वो bypass करना is now becoming very very easy. पहले ऐसा था कि of course looking at other aspects of the profile, but also कि यार ये verified है कि नहीं है, genuine है कि नहीं है. तो हम पहले वैसे करते थे, लेकिन अब आज के टाइम पे that is also easy to bypass. Verification is also getting easier to bypass in ways. So one is where is now the verification. हम पहले ये करते थे कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर verify हो गया then we'll go chat, we'll know that this person legitimate, उसकी pictures हैं और उसने verify करवाया वगैरह जो भी है. लेकिन now that is also question mark कि whether or not this person is
How do they
real or
bypass
not.
verification?
So there are definitely ways to do it. Okay, you take the picture and there are ways available on YouTube also. Just go type on YouTube saying how to bypass
Verification.
Bumble verification. You'll find it. Okay, so it's very
What
scary.
have you done?
Cyber security expert.
I know now you've created 10,000 fake profiles.
Yeah, it's a scary world, and that's why people like you, me, and people who have common sense have to understand that you have to go multiple ways. And I was just telling
That's
him,
too much of an
given I
expectation.
used to,
He's
when,
expecting us to have common sense.
Okay, common sense, if you like the person's face, उसके बाद common sense तो गया ना. हाँ.
हाँ, I mean,
No, because then what
depends
we auto
कितना
suggested,
अच्छा है
you
वो
discuss
face.
this. Then you discuss this, na. We want that validation and whatever.
Yep.
So we have already told ourselves to look for it. So
of course, I mean, see, these profiles are not created because we're looking out कि हाँ उसको एग्जाम में कितने मार्क्स मिले थे. लोग चेहरा ही तो बेच रहे हैं. They're not
correct.
selling anything. चेहरा बेच रहे हैं.
Life is shallow, yaar.
And most of the people are shallow. Like whatever. Okay, you say whatever.
No, I've been
These
saying
people
this.
are shallow.
I like dogs. I'm not interested in people. No, not in that way. Yaar, idiot.
Only dogs.
Hey, only dogs. Sir. सीमा रेखा. Don't cross the line, यार. अभी line तो है नहीं.
I would join that one, but
Yeah.
dogs
Only
are
dogs.
joined.
Yeah. अच्छा. We are all dog lovers here, but in a nice way. हाँ.
Yeah.
So this verification, if we cannot trust, then what do we do?
I mean, I used to go ask people to get their Aadhaar or passport when they meet or something so that I know they are the same people.
You're telling me
Yeah,
in the
I-
romantic world of
Yeah, I
yours, you meet a guy called Ajay online, and Ajay has to come to meet you with a rose and Aadhaar card.
Yeah.
I mean, boss, this
Yeah.
is even the Suraj Barjate will not be able to make this film, yaar. ये romance नहीं है, यार. This is too clinical.
सूरज बरजाती
इसीलिए
वाला
सत्य में
रोमांस बचा
सत्ता
भी
में
नहीं है.
अमिताभ
वो तो अलग बात
सत्ता में
है.
अमिताभ brings a तरबूज.
I'd rather take that. No, but I genuinely would do that. Now, तो I'm not on dating apps. Because कुछ नहीं होता है वहाँ पर. But it's really sad. It's shallow. It's sad and it's shallow. But the fact is that I would definitely ask people कि यार how do I verify whether or not you're the same person? Now I would verify different ways, right? One is of course going and asking them for their socials so that I can go and check or whether or not they're legit. Now there were some people that I met or had spoken to who said कि they are not on any social media, which is a red flag. I'm like ऐसे कैसे भाई social media पर ही नहीं है, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. ठीक है. So then
यार मैं भी नहीं हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे.
if it no but then if
But because of your profession.
yeah. But then if LinkedIn पर हो कुछ तो हो गए मतलब कहीं तो हो गए ना. It's nothing.
You
So
can't
then
be a
I would
ghost.
definitely, and I've asked this at least to 5 guys that I've met saying please get your Aadhaar or passport or any government identity that says this is your name, this is how old you are and this is where you live. I need to know that. I'm very very
You lost me at 5 guys.
Huh?
5 guys you checked out.
Yeah, why not? I am in my lifetime. It's very
Maya, you're allowed 1 guy. And I will check out. I will check out. उसका आधार और उसका फादर सब मैं check out करेगा back shot. Sorry, excuse my French. 5 guys. Don't give wrong impression. Conservative society.
But
One guy.
why not? You go and buy the first share, is it?
How can you compare?
Why
Life
not?
partner and for first share.
But exactly.
Tata share है.
टाटा के भी 5 शेयर होते हैं देखने पड़ते हैं. So you have to go verify, right? You have to go check. So
इसका है आधार लेके आओ नहीं तो टाटा बाय बाय.
I'd rather be safe than sorry.
Because sir is not giving authenticity to the program. I can't do anything. I'm off the hook. Sir is responsible.
It's all you are.
या
No, but
अगली बार सीरियस पॉडकास्ट इसके साथ करेंगे ना.
no, next podcast will change completely.
या
It'll be, ये सब जाने दो. Let's have some
बचा लिया हमने दुनिया को.
chai pani. But just quickly to understand, so you're saying there's a lot of mehnat in this whole thing, the production of having a relationship through online. So
Yeah.
it sounds ridiculous, yaar. I mean,
But it is difficult. I mean,
it's easier to meet someone face to face, I think.
yeah, but then that's why a lot of people are opting out. अभी वो पता है singles चलो है, mixed singles, where people come together, single people come together and they're throwing a party and then that's how you meet people.
So
organically.
flesh and blood में people are coming
So,
and
हाँ,
meeting.
now you're
साइरस
seeing.
गोस देयर एवरी डे.
नहीं मैं केटरिंग करता है और मेरा दोस्त ओनली फाइंड करता है बीच में. एंड नाउ फॉर द एंटरटेनमेंट पृथ्वी आजा कच्चा में आजा जूता निकाल और कुछ मत निकाल बिकॉज़ दे ऑल एजुकेटेड. Sorry.
या सॉरी.
It's difficult to go from this conversation to that conversation. I understand what you're saying.
I've
But,
lost.
no, but for people listening, so singles, they have this singles meeting thing.
Yeah.
where- हाँ.
So now they have these now. A lot of people are now opting out of these virtual dating apps and then they're choosing something like this.
So at least you
where-
meet the person first, and
हाँ.
then at least you have a face really. But फिर भी scam हो सकता है because then you get married and then she doesn't leave. And फिर 25 साल के बाद बोलेगा let's have anniversary. ऐसे कहने what to celebrate? What is there to celebrate? Do you know what is there to
क्या
celebrate?
फूक क्या है सब मेरे पता नहीं.
ओ लेखक साहब कुछ लिखो इसके बारे में. What is there to 25 years के बाद क्या लिखूं? You tell me. And in America they do their vows again and all.
Yeah, they
I
renew
meet
their
males.
vows.
I tell them you're doing your vows again.
That's wow.
You should take out the vow after 25 years. No? Like how we vote for government.
He's still vowed, you know.
Don't say bow wow and all we are dogs. Only dogs उधर है.
26 after 25.
वो joke मत कर यार. You should have done engineering. Why are you here? Podcast के कैमरा के पीछे means failure. No.
इसका मतलब इंजीनियरिंग वाला जोक.
Well, I don't want to bring up bridges, sir. Not bridges, sir. Bridges.
मैं भी इंजीनियर हूँ.
Actually, trained engineer. Yeah. All the great engineers who do something else, they do very well in life. As long as they don't do engineering. सच है सर, सच है. डेटा है मेरे पास डेटा भी है. Show them the names, famous names. We have to wrap up. You'll have spoken a lot. But just final. We've had a lot of fun and no disrespect. Lovely people, so we're just having fun. But ये बहुत serious मामला है. Very obviously, people know. And scams from finance to romance to everything else that are there. Just one directive. You've already said कि try and follow this and do that, etc. But what should you look out for? Red flags. Once again, if you can just tell them.
on the romance scams, right?
Yeah. Okay. If you want to specify, fair.
Yeah, so I think verification in general, right? Source and verification is very important. Where is it coming from? And second is verifying whether or not this is legitimate, not through one medium, different mediums, right? जैसे आजकल हम लोग डालते हैं ना.
So you should suspect कि ये fake
Yeah,
है.
yeah, yeah.
Your thinking,
Always, you
आपका
start-
सोच जो
you-
है
you-
from the
yeah,
beginning
yeah,
is कि
always
you are a
start with
liar.
that. You know, ये you are a liar. But trust issues is very basic and common. वो starting से develop कर लो. फिर वो आगे जाके उन्हें तोड़े तो फिर वाह इंसान God.
ये अच्छा सोच है because you're going reverse. You're thinking कि ये बेकार है and then it can get better. So from 0 you can
Yeah,
go up to 10
absolutely.
instead of going from 10 to 0. हाँ.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, as a
She
therapist,
should
right?
take classes, yaar.
Yeah, she's very good. Actually, you said very wise things, sir. You have also said wise things, but I'm saying that to you because of chamchagiri. I'm genuinely saying.
So, verification, just for example, in women, there is this thing, right? Now, there are these closed Facebook groups where we put guys' pictures saying, ये किसी का है क्या?
Aha.
Oh.
ये किसी का है, किसी का और का है, तो अब बता दो.
Lost dog kinds. ये हमारा कुत्ता घूम गया है.
पर डॉग के लिए रिवॉर्ड भी मिलता है. यहाँ पर रिवॉर्ड नहीं है. हाँ. हाँ.
So, in general, so I'm just saying कि वो community building है, right? So verification in general is very important. I'm not saying कि one way, but could be through socials, could be through LinkedIn, could be through these places where you go put it up on story saying, dude, this is the guy, right? So
यार पहले ना
अगर-
पहले इसमें आता था टीवी पे और उस पे आपण यान्ना पायलट का
यार
ये वाला हो गया आपण यान्ना पायलट का किसका बॉयफ्रेंड है रे भाई है
करना पड़ता है, पता है कितना ट्रस्ट इशू होता है हमें. But okay, so in general
पता लगा
verification
15 लोग क्लेम कर रहे हैं
नहीं, फिर वो 15 लोग क्लेम करके एक सोसाइटी बैठाएंगे और बातें करेंगे.
you're arguing, you're explaining it.
how it happens
I have to. It's a different generation issue. You know?
अच्छा
Only
है।
fans कुछ बोलो. What is going on? My guess is infighting has started. Yeah.
So, oh my God.
No. Listen, we are trying to give. Watch the show, Man vs. Scam for more detailed information. Obviously, and there'll be more clear, concise thinking उसमें. यहाँ पे थोड़ा फंस गया हम लोग. I think in between. I don't know
We
what.
got scammed by her.
नहीं, I don't know about that, sir. लगता है कि वो विजय माल्या की जो legacy है ना, I have a feeling.
Good water.
हाँ.
You can't advertise, you know.
You can't advertise. No, you can't. So yeah, so we're just saying, do this much, double verification, triple verification. Make sure that basically just don't trust the guy or girl until you reach a point where you actually get to meet them and see their Aadhaar card. Literally, not even joking. Huh.
Yeah. I mean, look for these pieces, right? If you don't go meet them in person, first meeting in person is very, very critical. Second is make sure they don't take any money from you at any point, right? जैसे अगर कोई कहीं पर बैठा है और मेरे लिए लंदन से गिफ्ट्स भेज रहा है और मुझे कस्टम का फोन आ रहा है या फिर कुछ, that is also
Like that Rania Rao actress in Bangalore, बिचारी. Somebody gave her gold and she carried it. I don't know, you'll follow the story.
Very
that is not
innocently.
Vichari, but sure, there's a lot
Sarcasm,
of.
sir. Young, satire. I am familiar with this.
So the thing is कि even if like someone's asking you for money, like this is very common, right? Saying कि hey, I've reached here, but you know I'm at the airport, I'm stuck, I need the money, whatever. At any point you feel that there is like you know a conversation on transaction of financial, right? Any money conversation, or second, do not share your personal pictures, videos. Don't get on calls like that because the person can use it for blackmailing, right? At the end, the outcome सबका वही है कि पैसे चाहिए. अब वो पैसे का medium जो भी हो. So make sure कि you know all these areas which are leading up to that, do not engage or you know.
Or put all your money in your mother's name. वो भी सेफ है ना. तो मुझे का पैसा नहीं है. But support तो है मेरे पास. I'll give you support, emotional support. पैसा तो नहीं है. You talk to
शरीफ
my-
लोग, शरीफ
हाँ,
लोग.
शरीफ लोग. और स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड लोग सर.
Yeah.
स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड शरीफ लोग. वी आर नॉट लाइक वी डोंट बेंड लेफ्ट राइट. नहीं इसमें बहुत मीनिंग्स है. माय गॉड आई बिकम प्रेमचंद अगेन. लेयर्स प्रेमनाथ वापस प्रेमनाथ. Sorry about this entire
Yeah.
episode. I really apologize. I feel you're too sophisticated for this show.
हाँ यार.
Yeah. Sir is able to make that change and then come back from intelligent to not. You know what I mean. सर बहुत कनेक्टेड है भाई. देखना पड़ेगा. I have only got relatives in Delhi. I don't want to go back to Delhi. All right, so that's the show. It's called Man vs. Scam. Is there anything you want to say, sir?
Common sense is most uncommon, so please use common sense and use basic cyber hygiene. Whatever you don't do in real life, don't do it online.
Oh.
इतना सीरियस भी नहीं था भाई.
नहीं ये ओनली फैंस का चक्कर में पता नहीं क्या क्या करते हैं ये लोग.
एकदम
They're
सीरियस
also
हो गया
pay- वो पेमेंट पे वॉल है. हाउ डू यू पे? क्रेडिट? हाँ क्रेड?
बिटकॉइन.
नहीं बिटकॉइन का डबल मीनिंग है. You deserve better. I feel so bad. I honestly, I come from, my whole house is only female.
I should have
so-
had whatever you guys had actually.
I had a bad upbringing. he had a government job. आप बताओ. You don't want this.
Looks like we are not going to have any of this left.
Dadar is a melting pot of Mumbai where everybody lives. It's a great place. Just stay there, you're fine. You're Dadar, ask for the other. Rapper यार, मैं भी rapper हूँ, young generation.
Say that again with the hand gestures.
I don't know how to do it. I feel now. They all laugh. Uncle देखो uncle क्या कर रहा है. I like old people trying to do rap.
Yeah.
You know, it's so much fun. यार, really.
Unwrapped.
Unwrapped. That's it, guys.
दादर का father.
British sir, we can't save anyone. Let it be यार.
यार छोड़ देते हैं.
हम लोग try किया यार भी जाने दो.
बहुत कोशिश किया.
You're not smart enough. What can we
She
do?
is not cooperating.
Your
not?
fault.
Your fault.
Yeah. Even global warming, I am the one responsible.
Arey, we are doing what Donald Trump did. Blame the female.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to Man vs. Scam as soon as possible. And it's a great thing to look at. Just pay attention because I don't know who are experts in this country. We have two who are actually genuine experts and are trying to help you gratis. Very expensive business, by the way, right? Cyber security.
Yeah, true.
You all get paid in crores, right? क्या यार IBM ने scam किया आप
That's
लोग
the
को?
scam. She gets paid in crores. She gets paid in crores. I don't.
What's going on, guys? Cyber security, the world's future. अरे बाबा.
NGO वाला जॉब पैसे नहीं देता.
That's also a scam when you reverse the money through the NGO. I know about all this, yeah. Done.
Right.
Okay. You don't have to talk more. Don't worry.
The camera is not on.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो, please. तमीज़ से बात करना है ना, important people यार.